Hello, I'm Chris. In this short video, I'm on one of the steepest hills in South London to show you how to pull up on the left, uphill, in a manual car. We had a look at how you can use a reference point to help line up with the curb on the previous video. This time we're focusing on the pedals. On your first attempt, you might end up parked a bit like this, with the rear of the car sticking out and not parked how you planned. New drivers sometimes brake too early, or more than they should, as they're often worried about rolling backwards, or not considering how gravity is slowing the car down quickly. So rather than needing to brake more, you actually need to brake less, as the hill is acting as a brake. Let's try it out. I'm in second gear. As soon as I release the gas pedal, the car slows down. To prevent stalling, I'll press the clutch, and now brake softly, pressing the brake a little firmer once the car stops. The main thing to remember is not to lose momentum too early or brake too soon. As always, don't forget to check your mirrors before you pull up on the left and signal if necessary. I just demonstrated pulling up in second gear, but if you feel like you want to do it a bit slower or be ready to creep forward to improve your parking, then you can change down to first gear once you've slowed down. Then creep forward if needed. Just a quick video today on how to pull up on the left, uphill. Thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope it helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like this one. Keep up the safe driving, and bye for now.